Okay, so the light was definitely giving Michael Jackson before. But I just got done taking some pictures for this Amazon review. And I'm about to submit the review. But I'm gonna insert something right here. Clicker, clicker, clicker. You feel me? You took some regular pictures. For real. But if y'all want to see some more, or like, you feel me, want to see some with some drip, go follow me on Instagram at @morefromme. All one word, no periods, no underscore, no nothing, because it's giving official. It's giving official. As you can see, I don't know how to act. Like, I'm clearly I've been away. I know I've been away. No Bryson Tiller. Literally a human jukebox. As you can tell, it ain't no room in here to do the SHEIN haul, which is why I need my own place, which is why I'm getting my own place. And speaking of, let's see if they send me my lease papers. Y'all like my case? It turn you on type shit. It's in my Amazon storefront, so get it on. Ah! Really a rapper for real. But we gonna log in and we gonna see, because they work day. Well, it's the 4th of July. I didn't even tell y'all it's the 4th of July right now. It's Tuesday, and I leave on my trip for Saturday. The flight is at 6 in the morning. It's at 6 in the morning, so we probably gonna get to the airport at like 4 o'clock in the morning. So should I sleep? They didn't, and she said she was supposed to be sending them on the 4th, which I probably shouldn't even thought that they was gonna send it on the 4th, because who's working on the 4th of July? We are going to get into the haul in a little bit. All right. I gotta walk my zebra. Hold up. Okay, y'all, so as you can tell, it's the next day, and pretty much I need to like get my life together. Like, literally in like 3 days we're supposed to be going out of town, and then when we come back I'm supposed to be moving out, so all of my shit needs to be together. Like, I need to literally pack all of my shit. I'm sitting here like I want to do a SHEIN try on haul for you. And even with my past videos, like, wanted to do hella other videos for y'all, and it's like I can't, because there's no space in here to record, or like no space that I really like turned up on, like, to create this area. It's not conducive enough, like, for me to like want to do it. But now that I know that it's happening, it's coming into fruition, now I'm ready to push out content, do what I was supposed to have been doing. But and not lesson being learned, like, I'm learning to just do it that way, that I can get better as I go. So yeah, anyway, before I get into the SHEIN haul, I went to Marshall's yesterday and I found the cutest fanny pack. I have a big ass bag. Like, my little Kate Spade, she's somewhere here. I was supposed to do a bag review on that one too, but my little Kate Spade, she's big as fuck, and like I can't take her everywhere. But I got this cute Steve Madden motherfucker, girl, move, fanny pack, and baby, $15. Sign me up. So yeah, I got that from Marshall's yesterday, so that's going on the trip with me. And I got a couple of, I'm not gonna say a couple, yeah, I got a couple of outfits from SHEIN. You said we're going on vacation, bitch. Hopefully I can get like everything in the full frame, especially my pants, because I'm like yay high, and like there's nowhere to set the camera up to record, which freaking sucks. But I just need to get this shit out the way so I can edit this video and like push this out to y'all, because I need to start pushing shit. Like, what's up? Push it. These stacked pants. Mind y'all, the bottom of these, baby, this shit taller than me. What the fuck? So they start like this, right? And then kind of like you just pull them up like this, and then They're like that. Mind y'all, my shoes, oh, by the way, my bed's not made, so like don't do too much. My platform, all my shoes that I ordered from the J's collection have not came yet. I ordered them on the 17th and we leave on the 8th. So that 1 to 21 day shipping should have been happening. And they emailed me back this morning. Today is the 5th. And they said that they cannot have my shoes to me by Friday. Which, okay, that's cool. Like, I'm gonna go find some other shoes. But baby, I was severely disappointed in it because I was really looking forward to the shoes that I had ordered for the trip. I need to set my mirror up so I can see what the hell I look like. And it got the little thumb holes. And so we just go. Do y'all see the vision? I got this cute set. And it says Los Angeles. And you know I had to get it, so what? Double it. This is the ghettoest fucking. My next will gonna be better, I swear to God. But yeah, so this is what it looks like when you see the Los Angeles. Let me need a clicker. It's the bag. I'm gonna just step right here so I can see it. But it's the front piece. Then the other side of the bag. It's a little not flat, a little fat or whatever. And here's the cream top. So you can imagine what shoes I got for it. But you see the vision. You see the vision. Girl, what the fuck? Here's the second swimsuit. For sure you're right on. There it is. With SHEIN, like, I just hope that y'all really looking at these reviews before y'all get it. Which is crazy. I did that. And I say the only thing that really is kind of sketchy when it comes to the fitting is my skirt. But y'all get the picture. And yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It's a lot going on in the background, but I'm selling those two paintings right there. I put them on Facebook Marketplace. So whoever get them. If y'all want them, y'all can have them. But I'm about to do my lashes. I got some individual lashes. I just got back from the beauty supply store, so I guess I can do a little haul on that. But this little mirror that I'm using, I got it off Amazon. Look at y'all. Got it off Amazon. It's a little, yeah, so mind your business. A little nosy. So I got me an edge brush, a little 3-in-1. A regular brush so I can detangle my hair. Some leave-in detangler mist. That way I can get the curls going for the curls. Mind you, yeah, I don't know if y'all could tell or not, probably, but I haven't put anything in my hair in like 2 days. So I got hair wax. Got to be spray, travel edition, because yeah, your girl is not trying to get her regular size one taken at TSA. I got one of these. I tried to ask the lady, was it free? And she, I guess, didn't know what I was asking, but it didn't have no price on it, so I was like, it's free. Y'all don't do that when y'all go to the store. Y'all be like, oh, this ain't got a price on it, it's free. I do shit. Some lip liner. I think this is, I don't know, it might be CeraVe, but lip liner and like a chocolate shade. And then this cute little kind of like Pandora bracelet, but I don't have no gold accessories, and I got a lot of gold necklaces. So and last but not least, I'm using Deluxe lashes. It's giving Juicy Couture, bruh. I was so mad. I got this bag and then like 3 days later, I'm gonna try to wash it though and see what happens with it. And of course, when I open it, this is the first thing that I find. More lashes. And more lashes. I like the way that those this spread is. It's kind of like, I'm gonna take it out of the pack so y'all can see it. And I just really love the way that like it's fluttered out and stuff like that. So anyway, yeehaw. Who the told they was me now? So I'm done with this side. As you can see, let's do like a, now it's time to do this side. Okay, this is the final look. If one comes off, bitch, mind your business. 75% packed, and other than that, all of my maintenance is pretty much done. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog off right here. And until next time, because I'm about to, after I finish this vlog off, I'm probably gonna finish packing, and then the trip starts literally tomorrow. So we outside, girl. We is outside, and I can't wait for y'all to see that vlog. And honestly, Tamia May, ooh, I burped. Y'all smell that? Honestly, Tamia May is back in full action. Like, I'm here, and honestly, I don't think I'm gonna stop. Like, I might have my pauses, my breaks here and there, but it's time to turn up. And I'm about to move into my new apartment when I get back, so that video's back to back to back to back to back to back. What's up, y'all? It's your new favorite YouTuber / your virtual bestie. All right, besties. Yeah. See y'all in the next video, and like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at More From May, on Twitter at Tamia May 2 Y's, and Twitter is actually More Like May with 2 Y's. But yeah, all of that, and then at Tamia May on TikTok. So I'm gonna see y'all in the virtual world, but until then, bye, virtual besties.